You want to build the perfect app, but the clock is ticking. Requirements evolve, timelines shift, complexity becomes the enemy. Traditional development feels like quicksand, while new Gen AI vibe coding tools lack reliability. The outcome? Technical debt and hard-to-maintain applications. Enter Zoho Creator, designed to transform these challenges into opportunities. It begins with what you need. Simply describe your requirements, and Co-Creator, powered by Zia, Zoho's intelligent assistant, translates them into working components instantly. No overheads, no setup delays, no coding marathons, just results. The Co-Creator doesn't stop there. It becomes your development partner to refine your app, understanding your goals, and recommending optimizations. Once your app takes shape, the next step is to unlock operational efficiency. Free your team from busy work with intelligent workflow automation. Whether you prefer AI-assisted coding or drag-and-drop simplicity, build exactly what you envision. Don't stop there. Whether it's extracting key information from documents, automatically drafting personalized emails for different scenarios, or performing complex calculations using multiple data points, Zia gets it done. But even the best-built apps are only as effective as the ecosystem they connect to. Choose from 1,000+ ready connectors or securely bridge on-premises systems with DataBridge, your entire tech stack unified. Great apps are more than functional. They must offer the right experience to their end users. With the theme gallery, portal customization, UI Hub, deliver polished, branded experiences to your users across all their devices, from mobiles to tablets. And when you're ready to launch, you maintain complete control. Manage versions, environments, and user access at scale, so you can deploy confidently, knowing your app will evolve with your needs. Idea to deployment. Zoho Creator delivers the speed you need and the power to scale, ensuring your apps are reliable and future-proof from technological disruption. Zoho Creator, low code, elevated by AI.